Hello there! In today's lesson, you're going to learn how to ask for and tell the time in English. So let's get started.
A1, Unit 5, Lesson 3, Telling the time. How to tell the time in English? To know what time it is in English, we normally ask,
What time is it? Or what's the time?
There are two ways to respond these questions.
1. Say the hour first and then the minutes. It's hour, minutes.
For example,
6:25. It's 6:25. 2. Say the minutes first and then the hour. It's minutes past 2 hour.
for example,
It's 20 past 3.
Now, let's watch the following model clocks and pay close attention to some considerations to keep in mind.
When it's on the hour, we say o'clock.
It's 1 o'clock.
2. In 5-minute increments, when it's past the hour, up to 30 minutes past, we say past.
It's 5 past 1.
3. When it's before the hour, after 30 minutes past, we say 2.
It's 5 to 1. Other considerations. There are 60 minutes in an hour. 15 minutes is a quarter of an hour. We say a quarter past 15, a quarter to, or 45. Examples.
It's a quarter to 1 or it's 12:45. It's 9:30 or it's 9:30.
Something to notice is that when telling the time in English, we use preposition at plus time. Take a look at the following examples.
What time do you get up during the week?
I get up at 6:30 a.m.
What time does the class start?
The class starts at 9 o'clock.
What time does the bank open?
It opens at 8 o'clock.
What time does the movie start?
It starts at 3:30. As you noticed, to ask about what time an activity is going to take place, or what time people do certain things, we use what time plus auxiliary do does in the present. Let's remember two of the previous sample questions.
What time do you get up during the week?
I get up at 6:30 a.m.
What time does the bank open?
It opens at 8 o'clock. Let's see now some short conversations in which different people ask about the time in English.
What's the time? Excuse me, sir. What time is it?
It's a quarter after 8.
Thanks. What's the time? Excuse me, sir. What time is it?
It's a quarter after 8.
Thanks.
Is it 2:30 already?
No, it isn't. It's 2 o'clock.
Is it 2:30 already?
No, it isn't. It's 2 o'clock.
It's too late.
Really? What's the time?
It's 20 past 9. It's time to go.
Okay, let's go.
It's too late.
Really? What's the time?
It's 20 past 9. It's time to go.
Okay, let's go.
What time do you go to bed on the weekend?
I usually go to bed around 10 p.m. on the weekend.
What time do you go to bed on the weekend?
I usually go to bed around 10 p.m. on the weekend.
Now it's time to practice.